Looking for easy access to a wide range of cancer statistics in the United States? The Surveillance Epidemiology and End Results Program, SEER, has data you can easily download that dates back to 1975. SEER also offers resources to assist you. SEER Explorer provides access to incidence, survival, U.S. mortality, U.S. prevalence, and lifetime risk statistics. With just a few clicks, you can view recent trends for a cancer site and choose a statistic to explore. Look at recent trends and rates, long-term trends, rates by age and stage distribution. Compare by sex, race and ethnicity, age, stage, and subtype. And view data tables in addition to graphs. You can also learn more about our data sources and explore other cancer statistics using our state cancer profiles, query systems, and CI rank tool. Ready to get started? Find all these resources and more at seer.cancer.gov.